Hey, all my beautiful ladies. Hope you're doing okay today. I made this quick video so that I could share with you a workout idea for Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. As I just posted in the GroupMe, we're going to get together and do our muscle group workouts on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Foxy's got those playlists going for us. But on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you need to come up with your own individual workout. Okay, and some of you guys already kind of know what you like to do for workouts. Some of you are runners and some of you do yoga or Zumba or whatever happens to be popular these days, and that's great. But then a lot of times we get stuck not really knowing what to do. So this is an idea that I got from my son a couple of days ago, and he actually got it from the UGA strength and conditioning coach. He's been posting videos for the athletes at UGA to help them with their individual workouts. And one of the things that they stress sometimes is variety, because sometimes mixing it up a little bit kind of helps you get more out of a workout. It breaks up the monotony, and it also allows you to kind of do intervals with different muscle groups. So here's the idea that Austin gave me. So he said you take a deck of cards, and then as you draw each card stands for a different type of exercise. Okay, so you get a deck of cards, you shuffle them, you draw your first card, and it's a black 6. All right, well, I have a little chart that I'll share with you, and any black number card stands for push-ups. So you do 6 push-ups, and then you draw another card. And whatever that card is, that's the exercise you do. Now, of course, Austin says you're supposed to get through the entire deck of cards. So that's 52 little exercise sets, which might be a little much for someone like me. So I was thinking that I would start by drawing like 20 cards and mix it up with those 20 exercises and then see if I can build from there. But again, it can be more beneficial for your body to mix it up like that rather than just doing 100 sit-ups or 100 push-ups all in a row. Okay, so let me show you real quick, and I will post all this in the group. Okay, so here it is, how the card system works. So if you draw a black number card, you do push-ups for that number. Red number cards, that's how many sit-ups you would have to do. If you draw any jack, it's a 15-second star plank, okay? And it's 15 seconds on each side. I'm going to show you guys a picture. I made my son do this for me yesterday, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I'll figure it out in a second how to show you guys a picture. He's not as flexible as you guys are, so you got to get that top leg up, but I'll show you a picture. If you draw a queen, any queen, that's 20 seconds of squats, okay? Not pulsing, but, you know, just those slow, controlled squats. Any king card, you do a 30-second plank. And any ace, you do the 6 inches off the ground leg lift for 30 seconds. Okay, so if you were to draw 20 random cards, that would probably be a pretty good workout to start. Some of you guys could probably do a lot more than 20 cards, but I'm going to start with 20. You see what you can handle. Here's something else I found online because I don't have a deck of cards in this house. So I found this, it's just like a virtual deck of cards. I click for the next card. So the first one's a 4. I'm about to do 4 sit-ups. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to do 2 push-ups. And then I'm going to do 10 push-ups. And then 9. Oh my God, here comes the push-ups. More sit-ups. And you can go through it. It even keeps track of how many cards that you've drawn so you know where you are in the workout. Anyway, something fun to try. I'll post all the stuff that you need to be able to complete that kind of workout. But if you're stuck and you need something different for Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, try out the deck of cards. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for our team workout. Love you, bye.